In this video, we're taking an in-depth look at TRX training, a platform that revolves around the innovative TRX suspension training system. TRX training is known for its ability to deliver a full-body workout using suspension straps, making it a popular choice for fitness enthusiasts looking to build strength, flexibility, and stability with body weight exercises. As we navigate the website, we'll explore the variety of programs available, ranging from beginner to advanced levels. The site is designed to be user-friendly and offers a clear breakdown of different workouts that can be done at home or in the gym. You'll see how the website categorizes exercises based on goals like strength, flexibility, and core training. The programs are easily accessible and come with step-by-step video tutorials that walk you through each exercise, ensuring proper form and technique. There's also a section dedicated to the TRX equipment, which includes suspension straps and accessories that can be purchased directly from the site. You will notice that TRX focuses on functional training, providing users with dynamic exercises to improve balance, stability, and endurance. However, one downside is that some may find the pricing of the equipment and programs a bit high compared to other fitness platforms. Despite this, TRX Training offers a comprehensive resource for those who are serious about suspension training. For anyone who wants to take their fitness to the next level with this unique training style, TRX Training is definitely worth exploring. If you're looking for guidance on how to properly use suspension straps for optimal results, this site is a great resource. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.